Come here. I've been painting. Pipo is jealous. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Pipo and I'm Joan of Art. And no fighting, okay? No fighting. Shh. Oh, no fighting. No fighting. Shh, 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 shh. Jaja, go away. Shh, 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 shh. It's Pipo's turn. Shh, shh, shh. Jaja, go away. It's Pipo's turn. Jaja, go. We don't want a fight here. Let's talk about jealousy instead. So, jealousy is imon. So, if there's a jealous dog, you can describe him as a jealous dog. Maimon. Dogs are really loving creatures. So, love, on the other hand, is gugma. That's love. And a loving character in Ilonggo is mahigugmaon. But the root word is just gugma. I think to be able to remember these long words is to remember the root word, which is usually a noun or a verb. So the simple word to remember is just gugma or love. Love. Envy, on the other hand, is hisa. And an envious person, or dog for this matter, is mahisaon. If somebody denies that he's not envious, he or she would say, wala ko nahisa, or I'm not envious, or wala ko nangimon, I am not jealous. Actually, my real topic for today is something that has disturbed me since my previous video, because I told you about palahuwayan and palanaguan. Well, pala there is not the prefix that made it into palahuwayan. The root word of palahuwayan is pahuway, and the root word of palanaguan is panago. So they all start with pahuway and panago. And then when you turn these verbs into the place where you do these action words, you actually affix something in between pa, which becomes pala nago an. And an is the place where you do the hiding or the resting. Of course, there is a prefix which is pala, and that means something else. Pala is a person who is fond of doing something. So if there is a verb like pahuway and you say pala pahuway, that is a person who loves to rest, who likes to rest. So pala pahuway, or fond of resting, or panago, fond of hiding or fond of hiding things. And palanga. Palanga is the act of loving or love. So if you are a loving person, it's also palanga. Somebody is always envious, palahisa, or palaimun. Somebody is always jealous, palaimun. Palakadlaw. Somebody is always fond of laughing, palakadlaw. So that's pala. Somebody is always fond of. People is fond of me. So palanga yako. Palanga is the shortened form of ANGGA, and ANGGA is what people is doing. Okay, that's it for today. I'm Joan of Art, and this is Pipo saying, palanga ko kamutanan. Palonggo ko si Pipo. Bye for now.